Hi everyone. If you work with data, you know the struggle. You have a beautiful, dynamic dashboard in Google Looker Studio or Power BI. It looks great in the browser, but the moment you try to print to PDF or archive it for a report, it breaks. Charts come out blank, the layout gets squished, and the interactive elements just disappear. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve this completely using the new Generate PDF from URL action. Unlike standard converters that just scrape the HTML, this action actually spins up a real browser instance in the background to capture your site exactly as it looks live. Let's look at a real-world example. I want to snapshot this public Microsoft Power BI dashboard for a monthly report. First, I drag in the Generate PDF from URL action. I'll paste the link to the dashboard directly into the URL field. Because dashboards are usually wide, I will set the paper orientation to landscape. This ensures we don't cut off any columns. Now, here is the most critical part of this entire tutorial, the render delay. Modern websites, especially dashboards, are, quote, heavy. They run complex JavaScript and animations. When you open the page, notice how the numbers take a few seconds to count up and the maps take a moment to draw? If we take the PDF snapshot immediately, those charts will be empty. We need to tell Zenphi to wait. This setting is in milliseconds. For a heavy site like this, I am going to set this to 10,000. That is 10 seconds. Think of it like taking a group photo. You don't snap the picture the second the door opens. You wait for everyone to walk in, sit down, and stop moving. By adding this 10-second delay, we ensure every chart is fully loaded before we capture the file. Also, 2 quick styling tips to make your document look professional. First, check the CSS media type. You can switch this to print if the website has a special printer-friendly version, but usually, I keep this on screen to capture exactly what I see in the browser. Second, if you notice your dashboard is touching the very edge of the paper, you can add margins here. Just adding 10 or 20 millimeters to the sides gives the content some breathing room and makes the final PDF look much cleaner. Let's run the flow and see the result. Here is the PDF it generated. Look at that. It is pixel perfect. The maps are drawn, the KPIs are calculated, and the layout matches the browser exactly. No broken images, no white spaces. Because we added that delay, we captured the final state of the dashboard, not the loading state. This powerful action opens up so many possibilities. You can use this to create automated board packs, scheduling a flow to email a dashboard snapshot to your CEO every month. You can use it for compliance, automatically archiving your vendor's terms and conditions pages to keep a legal record of what they looked like on a specific date, or use it for dynamic invoices generated from web views. Give it a try with your own dashboards, and remember, if the site is heavy, increase that render delay.